Good morning. In today's webinar, we're going to talk about how to use SELDM to win friends and influence people. Hey, wait a minute. What's going on? Well, congratulations. You've been rickrolled. Happy April Fool's Day 2022. You may not find anything funny on the SELDM website, but hopefully you'll find something useful there. Please visit us at https://www.usgs.gov/SELDM. Have a happy April Fools.